If me follow this phone, if I follow this phone, I tell you. I tell you, say internet not going good at all. Yeah. It not going good at all, at all, at all. So good evening, good evening, good evening, guys. Sorry about that. My phone just kicked me out a while ago. And when me try to come back on now the live end. The live already end. So you know. So me have to just start back a new live again. We just start back a next live. I am so sorry all the persons were here watching, and are listening. The phone overeat and then it just shut off. So by the time it comes back on, the live end by itself. And I was like only probably, that live was like probably 10 minutes or 15 minutes in on that live. So I don't know. Just end by itself. So one love. Thanks to all the persons who were here a while ago supporting, I don't know why the phone just decided to do that. I need a phone. Really, really need a phone. What's the best thing to use to go live? Is it a phone or a tablet? I don't know. Maybe a tablet is best to use to go live. Oh Lord. Help me, Lord. Be there for us, Lord, in times of trouble. Be there for us in times of our needs. Fulfill our needs. Fill my cup, Lord. Fill it up. Fill my cup, Lord. Fill it up. So as I was saying before, when I got interrupted by the phone, a lot of persons are still without some persons are without light, and some persons are without Wi-Fi connections and stuff like that to go live as well. So a lot of persons are not getting to go on their live because of whether it is light situation or data or Wi-Fi not working properly in some areas. So they are a comb ear and things like that. Meanwhile, I'm talking to you guys. I am combing my hair by myself. Yep. So I want to say thank you for all you've done. Thank you for the like. Appreciate you, yeah, for passing through. Lord, remember me. Come in and lock the door. The mosquito them will come in. And some of them already in here because the door was open earlier. Yeah. Silent watchers, pick up yourself. Thank you for joining. Which one, too? I was on the live a while ago and the live just it just shut off. The phone was overheating. So by the time I come back with the live end, couldn't get to resume because the time passed already. So how is your new week so far, guys? How is your new week treating you guys? And happy Monday, happy new week to everyone. Yeah, there. Fix up my hair. Why? Eh? Don't chop them on a good bush. Be good. You know, sometimes people see things in their yard and they don't really know. They don't have no knowledge about it. Wash it good and proper. My phone I overeat real bad. I 2 times now the phone overeat. 2 times. So sorry about that, guys. So. I little boy put some all something in it when I go burn outside. Q&A is here. Hi guys, how are you? Thank you for joining. Before I overeat, probably I have to go get on gadget for do my live on. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Bye. Is it travel by? Travel by. Thank you for joining. How are you? Hope all is well. Silent watchers, thank you for joining as well. No school. Yeah. You have snow on your side. If you have snow going on your side, you won't be going to school. Some hear them say on the news. When the man say, I don't know if he's a police officer or what, I'm not sure. When me hear him say, no school, and if you guys want to throw snowballs at me, you can. The mayor? Yeah. Him say, if you guys want to throw snowballs at me, you can. But there will be no school. We said, Lord of mercy. Well, guys, you have to just stay in to be safe. 20 inches, oh my God. 20 inches of snow. Oh my. You have to just stay in to be safe. That's all. When it passes, then you can go back to school. Just like we out here, you know, when the hurricane came, school is supposed to open like then they don't open school what the first then they don't open school the 1st of September, I think. Yeah. And them never get to open school until way down. Way down because in some areas there were a lot of issues why school couldn't open. So, you know, we did have feel like wait it off and stuff like that as well. So, you know, you have to just try to stay warm and thing and just stay inside until they say school open again. You know? So sorry that is going on. Come here say normally in a January the snow would be like it would not go on like in a December mostly. Some places in December would have a lot of snow in December, but it spills over into January where they're having snowstorm and all these things. So I don't know. It's rough. So because of that, school have to close. Never mind, you'll get to go to school when it pass. You know, you'll get to see your friends again and stuff like that. So not to worry. God will let it pass, and then you know everything will get back to normal again. So you can go to school, and everyone else who goes to school can go to school as well. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Pat's Kitchen, me say the phone just a overeat for me so. Me say it overeat and by the time me come on, feel like it's still a overeat. By the time I come on and look the live in, I am still here. Yeah, thank you so much. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, did you restart the live? Yeah, me have to restart the live because when me look, me could resume back because the live was already, you know, normally when it do like that, you take a little time. By the time it overheat and you jump back in and check if you can resume. If that not there, you have to just start a new live. Yeah, it's a resume or end. So if you want to end the live, you can end it or you resume and go back on the same live. Go continue on the same live, but that never did it. Gone by the time I go back in it. So I have just I don't know, I have to get one gadget to do my live pan. Yes, I noticed that. Yeah. Travel by emojis, emojis. Hey, thank you so much for joining. Pat's Kitchen say yes. Those things happen. Yeah. Hi, Trevor. Hi, Trevor. Yeah. So go, y'all. The phone alright, otherwise, you know, I just like when we go live with it overeat. Like I know where the time warm, because in a December, I never really have no problem with it. But now the time I get hot back again, so it start overeating again. So that are the problem with it. So travel saying, oh, hi, bed. Okay, hi. The travel is saying hi. Oh, why? Yeah, man. The why the phone are overeat. The phone overeating. Oh no. Hi, bye. Thank you for the emojis. I'm back. Hello. Hello. Yeah. So you could just me just there son I think say boy Valentine's I come up, so hopefully me can buy myself one gadget. Me now go me probably buy one tablet and use it instead of the phone. Buy one tablet and use it. Figure live, just figure live alone. Did you miss me? Yeah, I am here. Goodbye. Oh, yeah, you're the police siren a while ago pass. Yeah. Okay. Violators. Sirens. Them a pass. Sometimes when them dey on the road, and them want pass other vehicle, so they make nice. So nothing not really go on there now. Them just want pass the other vehicle that is in front. So them just turn on the siren. Good night, silent watchers. How are you doing? Yeah. You're in trouble. Why? Why would I be in trouble? Pat's Kitchen say the best part of the day for me is late afternoon. Oh, yeah, that was the first Q&A. The first Q&A was saying something about time. This one is saying best part of the day. Yeah. So this one is saying best part of the day. The next one was something about time. Something similar. The afternoon is nice, Because after you're done do everything you have, or almost everything you have to do during the day, your chores, you can sit down and maybe relax a little bit until you're ready to start cook dinner and stuff like that. Yeah. So the afternoon is nice. It's very nice. Very, very nice time of the day for relax. Back in the days when 12 noon come, we used to have generation for watch. After midday news, you have generations 12:30 And then, any other little something we are going on TV, you can watch. May I tell you, those are the days. Mm-hmm. So, Pat's Kitchen say, mm, smash the like button. Hey, smash the like button. How will my data listen around it sound so loud now? Yeah, I have to turn down the something we have. Listen. So good evening, silent watchers. So Pat's Kitchen was saying smash the like button as you come in, guys. Thank you so much, Pat's Kitchen, for that. Thank you so much, guys, for smashing the like button. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, I did not get to read that first one. Look at my phone just give me peer trouble, so I know all of a sudden now I peer trouble phone again. The phone not going on good at all. Yeah, so may I have to go get a new phone so I can go live. Pat's Kitchen I laugh. Laughing emoji and bye bye. Thank you for joining, yeah? The phone here is for like the cold weather, like the snow time, The phone here enough for hot climate at all. You can't manage the hot climate. Yeah. The Christmas when the time cool, at the phone here me use do my life straight through. I mean I have no issues. Now that the time I get warm in a Jamaica now, the phone has stop overheat. Yeah. So right then now, I have to try sort out one something for use for go live. Yeah. I forget myself I get it. Yes, I love. Oh, me read that already. Yes, I love a late afternoon to relax and chill. Hi, you mean the African, yeah, generations. I used to love watching. Even on a Sunday when one something used to come to name Oshin. Me used to love watch that show as well. And then when generation start come back, me watch it. Me watch it Sunday. Sunday them give you like a longer version, and then during the week them give you like half an hour until from Monday to Friday. Yeah. All the way. Go on Sunday, them show it back in the week. Yeah. Them days I did nice. Good night, guys. How are you doing? Hope all is well. So this evening, me just you know, welcome everybody to the new week and chill and hold a little vibe in the Monday evening here. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. So I just hope you're all doing great. Mhm. Whether you're just passing in the background or you're here to stay, I hope you're doing great. Mhm. So good night. Hope all is well, guys. Hope you had a great day today. It's the start of the week, and most persons overseas going through a lot right now. Snow, yeah, whole lot of snow to deal with in their driveway and the house and everywhere. They have the snow to deal with. Yeah, but God is still in control. God will let it pass eventually, and everybody will be okay. Everybody will be okay. I started the live already, but because the phone keep on overeating, for the second time I start back the live just now. The overeat, when must it 2 times a while ago already, since me start back the live. Looking about my hair. Thank you so much, Pat's Kitchen, for answering the Q&A as well. Thank you so much. Pat's Kitchen said the afternoon, you know, to sit and chill is the best time in the afternoon. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, sometimes everything depend on a slow go, and the next time it depend on upbeat. That's how it is sometimes. It's the starting of the week. So eventually, you know, if things are kind of slow, still stay and, interact with your audience and, build a vibe. And probably the next day, it will be looking different, or maybe later on in the night, if you happens to go live again, you know, it will be looking different, maybe by later down in the night. So, each time you go live, you get a different result. That's how it is. So I'm just telling you guys, persons will just start out, you just go live and just interact with persons on your live, you know. It is good to just